Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best direction for solar panels California that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Jetrendo 6-piece windshield sunshade kit. If you're looking for an all-encompassing solution to protect your car from the blazing California sun, this product offers a complete set of sun visors for your front, rear, and side windows. This kit is made from professional heat insulation materials that effectively block sunlight, reduce cabin heat, and protect your dashboard and upholstery from sun damage. These visors are lightweight, foldable, and easy to store, making them a practical choice for those constantly on the go. While the design is universal and fits most vehicles, you'll want to measure your windows beforehand to ensure compatibility. The silver finish is sleek and does a decent job of reflecting heat, but the overall build quality feels somewhat flimsy compared to higher-end sunshades. Additionally, the adhesive buckles could use improvement for a more secure fit. Performance-wise, the shades are effective for mild heat insulation, but might struggle in extreme temperatures. With only 2 customer reviews and a modest 3.0 star rating, it's clear that this product has room for improvements in terms of durability and user satisfaction. The Jetrendo kit is ideal for budget-conscious buyers who need an affordable, functional sunshade solution for their vehicles. However, if you're looking for premium quality or long-term durability, you might want to explore other options. Pros include a full set of visors and compact storage, while cons include questionable build quality and limited user feedback. Coming in at number 4 is the BDZMC Solar Energy Air Freshener. This unique dashboard ornament doubles as a solar-powered aromatherapy diffuser, making it a stylish and eco-friendly choice for freshening your car's interior. It's made from high-quality ABS and aluminum alloy, ensuring durability and resistance to high temperatures. A must for California summers. The solar panel activates the rotation of the diffuser, releasing a calming ocean scent into your car without requiring batteries or charging. Installation is straightforward, and its compact design allows it to fit seamlessly into your dashboard. The performance is impressive when it comes to maintaining a pleasant aroma inside the car. But it's worth noting that the scent might not be strong enough for larger vehicles, like SUVs or trucks. While the eco-friendly aspect is a big plus, the product has a limited customer base. With only 6 reviews and a 3.6 star rating, some users report issues with the rotation mechanism under low sunlight conditions, which may be a drawback if your car is often parked in shaded areas. This product is perfect for drivers who want a touch of luxury and relaxation in their vehicles, while supporting green technology. Pros include its durable materials, solar-powered functionality, and stress-relieving scent. On the downside, the fragrance intensity and reliance on sunlight for operation may pose challenges for some users. Taking the number 3 spot is the Getfe Car Sun Visor Extender. This innovative product is designed to provide exceptional light-blocking capabilities for drivers navigating California's sunny roads. Made from durable waterproof material, the Getfe visor is both wear-resistant and easy to clean, ensuring long-term use even in the harsh summer heat. Its 2-way stretch design allows for customizable coverage, making it adaptable for different lighting conditions, whether you're on a bright freeway or driving under shady trees. The universal fit works with most vehicles, including trucks, SUVs, and cars, but measuring your visor buckle before purchasing is recommended. Installation is quick and non-destructive, using an elastic band that secures the extender in place. While the product is functional and reliable, its 3.9 star rating suggests room for improvement in terms of user experience. Some customers have noted that the extender's size might not fully cover larger windshields, which could be problematic for drivers of oversized vehicles. Overall, the Getfe Car Sun Visor Extender is a solid choice for drivers seeking a simple yet effective solution to reduce glare and improve visibility. Pros include its durable construction, universal compatibility, and ease of installation, while cons involve limited size options and mixed user feedback. At number 2, we have the Solo Dodo Privacy Garage Door Screen. This heavy-duty garage screen door is perfect for homeowners looking to enjoy fresh air while maintaining privacy in their garages. The one-way clarity feature ensures that you can see outside, while passersby only see a blurred view, making it ideal for daytime use. Built with military-grade nylon mesh, this screen is tough enough to withstand pet claws, storms, and regular wear and tear. The ultrafine mesh also blocks mosquitoes and other bugs effectively, ensuring a comfortable garage experience during California's humid nights. The magnetic closure system snaps shut instantly, providing a hands-free walk-through design that's both convenient and secure. Installation is tool-free, using strong 3M adhesive, Velcro, and thumbtacks for a reliable hold. With a 4.5-star rating and over 10,000 satisfied customers, this product clearly delivers on its promises. However, privacy fades at night, and the screen's effectiveness might diminish in overcast weather. Ideal for workshops, pet-friendly garages, or anyone hosting gatherings in their garage space, the Solo Dodo screen combines functionality with durability. Pros include its robust material, effective bug protection, and easy installation, while cons involve reduced privacy during nighttime and reliance on sunlight for optimal performance. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Blink Outdoor 3rd Gen Plus Solar Panel Charging Mount. This innovative smart security camera system is perfect for homeowners in California looking for reliable security with solar-powered convenience. The Blink Outdoor camera offers HD day and infrared night vision, two-way audio, and motion detection, allowing you to monitor activity around your home in real time via the Blink Home Monitor app. The included solar panel mount ensures continuous power, eliminating the need for frequent battery replacements and making it an eco-friendly choice. The camera's flexible placement options and customizable motion zones make setup a breeze, while integration with Alexa allows for hands-free monitoring. Performance-wise, the camera delivers crisp video quality and reliable motion alerts, ensuring peace of mind 24/7. The build quality is solid, with weather-resistant materials that can withstand California's sunny and rainy conditions. While the price is not disclosed, the value proposition is evident in the advanced features and sustainable design. This product is ideal for homeowners prioritizing security, convenience, and eco-friendliness. Pros include high-definition video, solar-powered functionality, and seamless integration with Alexa, while cons involve potential costs for additional cloud storage and accessories. Overall, the Blink Outdoor camera system is a top-tier choice for modern-day security needs. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.